This instructional video will show you how to lay out gaskets with bolt holes using the Allpax bolt hole locator, an accessory included in Allpax heavy-duty gasket cutter kits. Let's get started. Lay blank sheet of paper or gasket material on cutting board. Locate approximate center point and mark. Measure and mark outer diameter, inner diameter, and pitch circle diameter with straight edge. Pierce center point of paper or gasket material with center pin. Insert protruding center pin into recessed ferrule. Using center point, use gasket cutter as compass and hold the pencil against the outer edge. Draw the outer diameter, inner diameter, and pitch circle diameter. Position bolt hole locator over center point. Insert center pin into recessed ferrule on cutting board. Press down firmly to hold bolt hole locator in place. Note required number of bolt holes on desired gasket. Common configurations are 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 bolt holes. Using a pencil, mark the following points on paper or gasket material utilizing notches around perimeter of bolt hole locator. Place straight edge over pairs of opposite marks, for example 1 and 7. Using a pencil, extend straight line to pitch circle diameter. Where the straight line intersects with pitch circle diameter is the center point for the bolt hole. Repeat for each pair of opposite marks. If gasket design is laid out on paper, using scissors, cut out the paper template. Measure the outer diameter and inner diameter of gasket material and cut. Lay template on top of partially finished gasket. Use piercing tool to transfer bolt hole center points onto gasket. Now, you're ready to punch out the bolt holes with the hole punch.